Chapter 3, Lesson 7 is going to be about finding differences for basic facts using mental strategies. Okay. They were looking down here. They said, have you guys seen a number line like this before?
Yes. Prodigy. Oh, yeah.
Okay, Prodigy, IXL, maybe first grade. Okay. Number lines are basically lines that start at 0 and then they go to bigger numbers. Okay? And they have a little line for each number. Okay? So, there could be a subtraction fact. Okay? If I did 6 minus 2, I'm going to do this here on the bottom over here, or on the side. Okay? I said it starts at 0, right?
Yes.
So 0, then I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just going to go to 10 for right now. It could keep going, okay? It could keep going to, like they have to go to 20. I'm going to stop at 10 because my problem is 6 minus 2. Okay, 6 minus 2 equals. All right, they are saying to start at 6. Okay, so like basically put a dot on 6. Okay, and then it says minus 2, so you have to jump backwards 2. So jump back one number, and then another number. That's jumping back 2. So 6 minus 2 is what? What did I land on?
4.
4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay? Now, let's try that again, but let's do it with 5 minus 4. Okay? So I'm gonna delete my little things. We're gonna do 5 minus 4. Okay? So if I'm doing this, what number do I start on and put a dot on? 5. Okay, your big number. And now I'm subtracting 4, so I'm jumping back 4. So right here on 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did I land on? 1. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So this is one way to subtract, okay? All right, so here we go, boys and girls. Here is your story problem. Scott has 13 crayons. He gives 3 crayons to Tyler. How many crayons does Scott have now? Boys and girls, will you add or subtract to solve that problem? Subtract. How did you know that?
Because it's taken away.
Because Scott is giving away crayons, right?
Yeah.
He is giving away 3 to Tyler. Okay. So we are going to subtract. All right, boys and girls. That blue line goes all the way to 13. Put a dot on 13. Because that is the number he started with, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now it says to put a circle around the blue thing that is subtracting the amount. How many is he giving away?
3.
Let's jump back 3. 1, 2, 3. How many is going to end up with?
10.
Okay, I want you to circle the amount we subtracted right here. Okay, he went back that much on the blue line. Okay, circle that much on the blue line. Okay. Here's another problem. Are you ready?
Yes.
Diane has 7 15 crayons. She gives 7 crayons to Anthony. How many crayons does Diane have? Okay, so what are we doing again? Add or subtract?
Subtract.
Okay, where do we start?
17.
17. And how many crayons does she give Anthony? 7. So we jump back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many does she have now? 10. Okay, circle that amount on the blue line. Okay, last problem. Are you ready?
Yes.
James has 12 crayons. He gives 2 crayons to Cassie. How many crayons does James have now? What? Are we adding or subtracting?
Subtracting.
Okay, and what are we starting with? What does he have? 12. So put a dot. And jumping back, how many did he give Cassie?
2.
So jump back 2. 1, 2. How many does he have?
10.
10 crayons. Okay, and put the blue line, circle the blue line. We should have been writing
And
this.
there's a put, and there's
10
all
crayons.
and they're all supposed to equal 10. I know that.
10, oh,
Yeah.
10
All
crayons.
supposed to.
Yes, we have been jumping back 10 or to 10 each time.
Yeah, it does equal 10.
Yep, all these have equal 10.
You could figure it out the first one.
Okay.
I didn't know it.
Okay. I'm going to pause this because some people have to still write the word. Okay, boys and girls. You can subtract in steps to use 10 facts. That's what they were trying to show you. You did 14 minus 10, or 14 minus 6. Subtract in steps. Think about this. What makes 10 out of 14? 10 and what makes 14? 10 and what? 10 and 4. So you're breaking apart the 6 with 4, okay? But then 4 plus what equals 6? 2, okay? So if you did 14 minus 6, you can go back 4 to 10, and then 2 more to find that it is 8, okay? So, I will help you on share and show on these first 4. And then, boys and girls, if this is not the way you like to do it, and you like to do it the way you did last week, and just use a number line, or you know how to do it in your head, I will let you just do it in your head. Okay? Alright. So first, number 1, 12 minus 5. How can you, 10 plus what equals 12? 2. Okay, that's where you get the first number for the 5. On the caret. You're going to caret the smaller number. Okay, we'll caret the smaller number. Okay, 2 plus what equals 5?
3.
2 plus 3. Okay, so we're going to do, the leftover number is what? 3. So 10 minus 3 is what? No, 10 minus 3. 7. So 7 is your answer. 12 minus 5 is 7. Yeah, I don't think that that's the, I mean, if that's not Okay, let's do it. The number 2. 11 minus what is 10? Or 10 plus what is 11? 1. Okay, so we just made 10. Now 1 minus what is, or 1 plus what is 5? Or 1 plus what is 6? 1 plus what is 6? 5. So your leftover number is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. So that is your answer. Yes?
Do we have to write the carrots?
Yes. You have to write the carrots. Okay, so here is number 3 where you're going to write the carrot. Where do we put the carrot again? On the 7, right? Because it's a smaller number. Right now, put the carrot on the 7, it's a smaller number. Now we want to go from 15 to 10. Right? So 10 plus what is 15? Emma? 5. So you're going to put a 5 over here under the 7. Now think about it like this. 5 plus what is 7? What is it? 5 plus 2 is 7. So what's the number that we made to make 7? Drop the 2, boys and girls, basically. Just drop the 2. Okay? 10 minus 2 is what?
8.
8. So 8 is the answer for both of those. Okay? All right, let's do it again. What are we carroting? 7 again. This is the smaller number. Now 13, we want to go to 10. 10. What do we need to add to get to 13 from 10? 3. Okay, now 3 plus what is 7? 4. So we're going to drop the 4. 10 minus 4 is what? 6. Does that make sense, boys and girls? Let's do another one. Okay? All right. Okay. 13 to make 10. 10 plus what is 13? 3. So they already have the carrot on the 5 for you. So 3. 3 plus what is 5? 2. So we're going to drop the 2, right? 10 minus 2 is? 8. 8. So 8 is the 2 answer. Okay. We'll do number 6 also, and then I want you to try these on your own. Carrot the 6, the smaller number, right? Okay, now look at the bigger number in the 10. How do you make 10 with the bigger number? With a 5. Now 5 plus what is 6? 1. So we drop the 10 minus 1 is 9. And then we put the 9 on top. Okay? Alright, you try 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own. On the bottom hot problem, it says write the missing number that makes the number sentence true. There is 2 numbers that equal sign, another number, and then a blank. The 2 numbers that you know you are going to have to do the math for. 15 minus 6. Does anybody know 15 minus 6? Hudson.
15 minus 6 is 9.
Yes, it's 9. So now, 10 minus what equals 9? Also equals 9. We need to make this also equal 9. 10 minus what equals 9? You guys need to find what each of these equal